Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Yorubadunto. Welcome you once again to Yorubadunto, where we teach kids how to read, write, and speak Yoruba language with ease. Today's lesson with one of our students. Zach, let's have the summary of our last week's lesson.
Last week's lesson, we did an introductory topic. The first question that we had is, what is your name? To someone younger or to your age mate is Kini o Koe. To someone older or to a group of people, it's Kini o Koyin. To say, how old are you? To someone younger or your age mate is Omodun Meloni. To say to someone older than you, it's Omodun Meloni.
Okari, Omodada. Remember, Okari means well done. Omodada means a good child. In today's lesson, let's have a quick revision into letters in Yoruba alphabet. There are 25 letters in Yoruba alphabet. We'll be starting with the first 5 letters. The first 5 letters are A. Say after me. A. A. This letter is called letter A in Yoruba language. Let's move on to the second letter in Yoruba language. The second letter is B. 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 Say after me. B. The third letter is D. 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 Take note. This letter does not exist in Yoruba language. I mean, this letter does not exist in letters in Yoruba alphabet. But we have another letter that sounds like this, but not written this way. So let's continue. The third letter is D. 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 And the fourth letter is A. You might be wondering, why is this letter pronounced, or why is it called A in Yoruba language? Yes, that is its name in Yoruba language. In letters in English alphabet, this letter is pronounced or is called E. But whenever you see this letter in Yoruba language, you call it A. So this is the letter that we call A in Yoruba language. The name of these letters remain what I've called them, and they also sound the way their name is pronounced. Take note. This letter is A, 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 and let's go to the fifth letter. The fifth letter is E, 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 E. Now, let's read the 5 letters mentioned earlier together. A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A. The first 5 letters in Yoruba alphabet. A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A. Now let's sing together. The first 5 letters in Yoruba alphabet. A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A, A, B, D, A. See you again in my next video. Odabo. Don't forget, Odabo means bye. Odabo.